Seek your lordship indulgence in mentioning daily list item number 9, my lord.
9.
Yes.
Reading. It's for hearing,
Yes,
is it?
my lord.
Yes.
In this matter, I was appointed as legal aid counsel, my lord. However, I got tonsil problem.
You got?
Tonsil problem.
Oh, you for due to health. Okay.
Yes.
Will adjourn.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Arzuddin Sanga.
H.
H. Zodin Sanga, learned legal aid counsel for the appellant, has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by the other side. In view of the above, list the matter after 1 week.
Yes, my lord.
After
Much obliged.
I seek your lordship's indulgence in mentioning item number 10, your lordship. Your lordship, this case has been handled by Mrs. Carolyn, who is on maternity leave, your lordship. So if at least 2 weeks time may be granted, your lordship.
yes,
I'm appealing
the
for the
respo-
appellant's man.
Yes, for the
Appellant.
appellant.
Yes.
So they prayed for adjournment, no problem. Okay. Miss, no, make it, mention is made on behalf of Miss Caroline, so-and-so, learned counsel, learned government advocate, is it?
Yes, your lordship.
For the state respondents for adjournment of the matter, since the learned government advocate is on maternity leave. Mr. T. Lalzikima, learned counsel for the appellant, has not objected to the prayer for adjournment. In view of the above, list after 3 weeks.
3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Will she be able to attend after 3 weeks? She should, isn't it?
Yes, your lordship.
Or if not,
Then
you're
I will
the
be-
next government council, you take up the
Yes, Your
matter
Lordship.
after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, may I seek your indulgence in mentioning item number 6, 7, and 11 on behalf of Emily El Changte. She's out of station. She's respondent number 2.
Who's for the
I am for the appellant
petition?
in
This is for the appellant,
I'm appearing in item number 6, my lord.
item number 6. So a mention is made on behalf of Miss Emily L. Changte, learned counsel for respondent number 2, is it? For adjournment of the matter, since the learned counsel is said to be out of station. So, Mr. Victor L. Rodde, learned amicus,
Private.
okay, learned counsel for the appellant has not raised any objection. In view of the above, list after, when will she be back? Emily,
A week.
list after 1 week. That's 6. Which is the next item?
In item number
Six?
7, my lord, I am for
7.
the, my lord,
Okay.
I am for the
Then
appellant.
same or this thing, only thing, so you're the amicus?
No, my lord.
Okay, same. Okay, only the names will be different. Yes.
Oh, sorry. No.
Then,
item 11, my lord, I'm appearing. I'm
okay,
I'm the
not
amicus.
objected.
I'm the amicus.
So instead of learning counsel, Mr. T. Lalzikima, learned amicus curiae for the appellant has not objected. Yes.
Much obliged.
May I seek your lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 8, part 1, my lord.
All the hearing matters, 6, 7, then now 8.
My lord, my
What
senior,
happened?
he is not available due to medical difficulties. His
But
grandfather
the
is at the
reasons
hospital.
seem to be genuine, so we have to allow. No? Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr. Johnny L. Tauchang, learned counsel for the appellant for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by the other side. In view of the above, list after
A week, my
2 weeks.
Yes, ma'am. Much obliged.
For mission, item 1.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, where is the affidavit?
I have filed my affidavit
Okay,
yesterday.
what did you say in your affidavit?
I have said that the advertisement
Uh,
for LDC and driver posts were issued, and step has been
So
taken.
where was the copy of the advertisement? Is it here?
Yes, Your Lordship.
On?
It's in Annexure 2,
Okay, on which date was the advertisement issued?
31st October.
31st November.
October.
October. And when is the last date?
The last date is 1st December
Okay.
2025.
For the post of LDC
Yes,
And?
Your Lordship, and driver.
driver. Then we'll give them some more time.
And I have also annexed the rules, 2025.
Gazetted notification. Okay. Anything to say?
No, Lordship.
Ms. Jacinta so learned counsel for the petitioner.
Rosalind L.
Oh, Rosalind Elmar, sorry. Learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. Vani Isyami, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Ms. Zaram Sangpo, you are for? And Ms. Zaram Sangpo, learned counsel for respondents number 3 and 4. Stop. Then the learned government advocate has filed their additional affidavit reflecting these further steps taken by the state respondents, wherein the Mizoram Human Rights Commission rules have been notified in the official gazette on which date?
18/8/2025.
18/8/2025. The learned government advocate further submits that they have also published an advertisement for filling up the post of the LDC and driver for the state commission by the advertisement dated 31/10/2025, wherein the last date for submission of applications have been fixed on 1/12/2025. So, the new para, we therefore find that the state respondents are taking steps for establishment of the State Human Rights Commission, and matter is to be listed again after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks for the learned government advocate to keep this court informed of the up-to-date status by the next court date, by way of an affidavit.
Apply.
Item number 2.
My lord, in this regard, my lord, I have received the up-to-date status yesterday. If I may be granted a week's time to file in the form of affidavit.
This is concerning,
The construction of jail, my lord, jails in different districts. I have
But-
received the instructions.
okay, what is the instructions? Are they doing something?
Yes, my lord, the work is in progress and several photographs are also annexed.
Okay. Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel, Rosalind, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. Linda L. Fumble, learned additional AG for the state respondents, and Ms. Zaram Sangpui, learned CGC for respondents number?
Respondent number 7.
7. Stop. The learned additional AG submits that she has received the up-to-date status of the steps taken by the state respondents concerning the renovation and construction of the central and district jails within the state. Yesterday. Okay. She therefore prayed for time to file an affidavit to enclose the instructions received by her by submitting that certain photographs of the progress in the construction/renovation of the jails have also been received. Good stuff. In view of the above, list the matter after 1 week.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
At the onset, Your Lordship, the Council for the State Respondents apologizes for the repeated adjournment sought. Your Lordship, however, as Your Lordship is aware, the matter is regarding the interdepartmental conflict as to whether the area pertaining to this Seresi Khamrang project, whether it falls in the forest area or not. However, Your Lordship, to demonstrate compliance and also for progress in the PIL, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to submit the fact that the PWD, who is the project proponent in this case, has applied for the forest clearance, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed.
Affidavit in the form of an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, at this stage, the forest clearance has been sought by the PWD on the Parivesh portal, and the project screening committee has also already had its first sitting, wherein they had actually verified all the essential documents.
Anyways, so you file it in the form of an affidavit, you have received
Yes,
the
Your Lordship.
required instructions. Then with all the copies of the communication between the departments, the counsel for the petitioner will also have a chance to look into it.
Yes, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
and if she has anything to say on that matter.
And
So I think it's better if it's there in the form of an affidavit.
Your Lordship, if I may also submit that today the PWD is sitting with the Chief Secretary, and this matter will be highlighted, and also a meeting will be conducted with the Chief Secretary shortly, Your
Okay, so
Lordship.
then with all that,
Yes, Your Lordship.
minutes of the meeting also should be incorporated
Yes, Your Lordship.
in the form of an affidavit.
And yes, my lords, enough time has already been given. So if time is granted today, may it be the last chance, my lords.
Not last chance, we are following up the matter, so let's see. Ms. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present, along with Ms. Lalnunui, learned government advocate. Then you parrot, the learned government advocate submits that she has received the required instructions along with the supporting documents, and prayed that she may be given a short date to file the same in form of an affidavit. The learned government advocate further submits that the respondents are going to have a meeting with the Chief Secretary regarding the incident matter today, that is on today's date. Okay. And she prayed that she may be allowed to incorporate the minutes of the meeting in the affidavit yet to be filed by the state respondents.
Your Lordship, if I may make a slight submission, the PWD is going to meet with the Chief Secretary today to highlight the matter, and then only the meeting will be conducted, Your Lordship, with the Forest Department and the Chief Secretary.
She further submits that, I mentioned that, okay? There's the PWD is going to meet the Chief Secretary today to highlight the matter, since this case involves what appears to be a conflict between the Forest Department
Yes, Your
and
Lordship.
the PWD. Good stuff. She submitted that thereafter it is likely that there will be a further meeting with the Chief Secretary and the two departments. Stuff. She has therefore prayed that she may be given further time to submit the status of the matter by way of an affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just making to use the forest land. Mistake says that it cannot be without the central government's permission. And the central government is not a permission. All these meetings will
So this Forest Department, when we say Forest Department, State Forest, and let's see the communications first. No, so when we say the Forest Department, what about the central government? Any areas within the forest land, it has to be, again, permission will have to be taken from the central government?
Yes, Your Lordship, that is through the forest clearance.
For the forest clearance.
Yes, yes,
So
Your
it is-
Lordship.
Central government is not a party in this, we will not know what they have done.
Central government. is
Your
not
Lordship,
a party.
NABARD has funded the project.
No, who's the party here? Whoever made the party? Ultimately, if it's for forest clearance will be the central government through the state.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So what do you say, the petitioner?
Yes, my lord. Yeah, even NABARD is the
Pardon?
parties. NABARD.
NABARD.
Yes, my lord.
So who's representing?
Your Lordship, as of now, they do not have any council yet.
Who's representing?
I have no knowledge with that because they are.
Then notice is not complete? Are they made a party?
Yes, my lord. They are the parties. NABARD and there's 2, 3, 5
So-
private
so
respondents
have
too,
you
my
issued
lord.
Notice?
Yes, we have issued notice, my lord.
But then we'll have to wait for them also, isn't it?
Of course, my lord.
We are only hammering the state government. Ultimately, they'll also have some say in the matter. Okay, affidavit, full stop, okay? It is also seen that the respondent's number, what is the number?
Respondent number
Number
8.
whatever. Number 8.
NABARD is number 9, my lord.
Respondent number 9 remain
8
unrepresented.
and 9, my lord.
Okay, 8 and 9 remain unrepresented till date.
And private respondents 10 to 14, my lord.
Then you should mention all that. And the private respondents number
10 to 14, my
10
lord.
to 14 have also not been represented till date. In view of the above, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner is to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent's number, same, so and so and so. Okay. Through registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks. This is the matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 4. Lordship,
Writ appeal,
writ appeal, yes.
parties represented,
Notice complete in respect of respondent number 2 also, ma'am. So,
2, complete.
completely also. Way back in August,
Okay, another chance to respondent
chance
number
was
2.
already given, Lordship. So, yes,
So now,
this matter may,
respondent number 2 was duly represented before the.
earlier before the single bench, yes, Lordship. So now, we have also duly served and duly completed, my lord. If the matter may be admitted for hearing, Lordship.
Well, what is the matter about? What is the appeal?
The matter, Lordship, is that the appellant herein have challenged, Lordship, the order issued by the single judge, Lordship, directing the appellant, my Lordship,
Okay, so
to
just going blindly. Who is respondent number 2? So when you
provided-
challenge the judgment,
the judgment,
When-
Lordship, is at page number 1.
what is the judgment say?
The judgment, the operative part is at page number 80, Lordship. That
Please read the
says-
operative part.
Yes. The respondent number 1 and 2 are therefore directed to refund the forfeited amount of 5,79,376 rupees only within a period of 2 weeks to the 2 months, from the receipt of the certified copy of the judgment,
Okay.
failing which the respondent, yes,
Okay,
actually
so a certain amount of money was forfeited.
forfeited for, yes,
From which account? Okay, from your, this thing.
from respondent number
Okay.
1, Lordship.
From your whatever, Provident Fund.
Actually, yes, Provident
Yes,
Fund.
yes, which cannot be. Yes, so I think there's a case here, isn't it? We'll admit the appeal list. So respondent number 2 is the concerned bank or what? Respondent number 2 is whom?
Respondent Provident Fund, my lord.
Provident Fund.
Authorities.
So, so they are not really necessary, isn't it? The bank
Actually,
is the,
yes, my lord.
and if the bank is there, they can still represent the interests of
My lord.
Provident, this thing. Yeah, okay. Heard Mr. Caesar Ramchana, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. Okay. Jamal Somzola.
Jameson.
Vansong, learned counsel for respondent number 1. It is seen that the respondent number 2 remained unrepresented till date. Though notice was deemed to be served upon respondent number 2 on, when was it?
It was already recorded there in the earlier order, your lordship.
It, however, it is seen that AD card
My lord.
was duly returned. Provide the order of this day dated 24/09/2025. Heard Mr. Caesar Ramchana, learned counsel for the appellant, along with Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 1. On hearing the submissions made by the learned counsels, this court find it fit to admit the instant writ appeal matter to be listed for hearing in due course as per its own turn.
Obliged.
For order, item number 5.
Condonation of delay, how many days?
My lord,
3 to 1 days. My lord, I am preparing the objection to the,
Oh, you have not filed your written
yes, my
objection
lord,
yet?
if I
How
may
long will
be
it take?
given,
Next week? Written objection, it's very simple,
my lord,
1 week.
1 week, my lord.
Ms. Azaram Sankui, learned TGC for the appellants is present along with Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the opposite party. The learned counsel for the opposite party has prayed for a short date to file his written objection. In view of the above, list the matter after 1 week. Yes. So all the hearing matters have been synced, John.